Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the camera logo from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large circle. If you're drawing on paper, you can use something round to trace to help you. And then let's draw another circle inside for the border. Now let's move inside and let's draw the camera logo. Let's start in the top left corner and let's draw a curve down. And then a curve over on top. Now for the top line, let's draw a long angle down to the right. And then for the bottom line, let's draw another angle in the same way, but we're going to make it shorter like this. Now for the end, let's bring it in and then curve it down on an angle. Now let's hop underneath on the right, we're going to step in and let's draw a curved line down. Then from the top, let's follow that same bent line over to the left. Then bring it down at the end and a line across the bottom to close it off. And now inside, let's add an angled square shape. Now let's hop over on the top right and let's draw another small curve about halfway down. Then from the top, let's bring it out. A small curve down at the end and close it off with an angled S-shaped curve. Now let's hop back over to the left side. Underneath the center here, on the left, let's draw a line down. Now from the top, let's angle it back up, stopping about here. And then from the end, let's curve it down. And one more angle to close off the shape. Now we're going to draw another one in the same way, but smaller on the top left. So let's start with a line down. Bring it up and curve it down and in. And that's it for the main part of the camera. Next, let's hop down under the longer rectangle and let's draw an angled line underneath like this. Then draw a curve underneath to form a half circle. Now underneath the right side, let's leave a gap and let's draw another curve. A small line down on the left, and a longer curve down on the right. And now a horizontal line at the bottom. Now underneath, let's leave another gap and let's draw two lines across with a gap in the middle. Now underneath each line, let's draw angles down from both ends. Now underneath the left one, let's angle both of the lines down and over to the left. Now for the ends, let's bring it up and down, bring it out to the left, and close it off. Now on top, let's add a small angled rectangle like this. Now let's hop underneath on the right and let's do the same thing by bringing it down and over. Then two lines down and then close off the bottom with a line across. And that's it for the camera logo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!